I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to tackle lag now. First, update Edge and Windows so you aren't troubleshooting old bugs. Then close heavy tabs and disable extensions to isolate the cause, because extensions often hog CPU or memory. Clear the browser cache and site data for pages that feel sluggish, since corrupted caches create repeated reloading. Once done, run Edge in private to see if performance returns to normal. That tells you whether profile data or extensions were the problem. Now dig deeper. Turn off hardware acceleration in settings because some GPUs and drivers cause stuttering. If disabling helps, update the GPU driver or re-enable selectively. If problems persist, repair the Edge profile or reset browser settings to remove bad flags and experimental changes, which preserves bookmarks but clears harmful tweaks. Also run a quick malware scan and update graphics drivers. These system-level issues mimic browser lag. Make sure to restart your PC between steps so driver or setting changes fully apply. Finish by reinstalling Edge or creating a fresh user profile to eliminate corrupted installation or profile-specific data, because a clean install often resolves persistent lag. Monitor Task Manager while reproducing the slowdown to identify background apps or processes consuming resources, and close or uninstall anything unnecessary. If issues continue, consider a system restore point from before the lag began, or temporarily disable startup programs. One troubleshooting tip: if a specific site causes lag,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.